Okay, I just uploaded a video with the pedal again not working. I just shot the video, I was uploading it, and then I went to put these pedals down. And in the process of coming from my leg to put them down on the floor, something kind of went poof, and we're passing sound again. You hear that? Um, so it is working as it should. It is passing audio when the pedal is off. Without thinking, I clicked that knob. I hit the foot switch with the gain and the volume up so high, and I may have shattered all the windows in my house. It was so loud. But so just something in the jostling. I tend to think that it's something with the in and out jacks. Um, I don't know. There's definitely something. If the pedal moves a little bit, it can make it work or not make it work. So again, just in the process of putting it down, we got it started working again. But I can't use this pedal in this intermittent fashion. I don't know if it's going to work or it's not going to work. And honestly, it works at best about half the time. Um, so I'm going to have to go ahead with this return. Um, it's my apologies. I would really love to use this pedal, but I can't use a non-working pedal. All right. Thanks very much.